What's the one reporting assignment which was the most valuable so far?
I think I really for me, it was RUDA, the project, because I also did a couple of follow-up pieces on it. And I think the time that I took it up, there was not a lot of reporting on it, and there was not a lot of information. And I think I went in with a very different idea what the project was until I started digging into it and realized what a massive impact it's going to make on this city. I have this insane love affair with the city of Lahore. Yeah. It's something, I mean, I've grown up here, I've lived all my life here. My children make fun of me that ab sari zindagi yahi rahi hai, but I do. So anything that changes the face of the city or my imagined sort of idea of the city, I think is something that I felt like I needed to investigate.
And you looked at RUDA when it was not kosher to look at RUDA. This was under Imran Khan's government.
Yeah, and there was not a lot of information as well about what was happening. It was just considered like just a project. It wasn't really. It was after I think I started looking at it that I realized it's a city. They're building on the.
The first few voices were all about environmental impact.
Environmental impact, yeah.
And just now we saw in the floods, yeah, that yeah. I think some kind of a vindication of when you looked at it, not that one can feel happy about it.
I don't know if there's any vindication. The project is going through, and I think they're going to come whatever. They're going to complete the project, and it's going to have a very devastating impact on the environment and on the lives of people who live there, the farmers who are still struggling to get their land back from the state. So yeah, like I said earlier, it's a grim sort of environment and a situation to be in, but I think we have to keep reporting and we have to keep following up on this. And I think what was also really unfortunate when it came to RUDA for me was that the media and a lot of journalists were not really looking into this project, which I realized later was because they had gotten some sort of a plot or had opportunities to get an apartment or a plot. And I think even today and before the floods, it wasn't really talked about. It's not really talked about holistically the way that it should be.